Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about detail, knotless and butterfly tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys the technique I use to install these braids. So I'm going to start off by parting off a section. And now we're going to split that section of hair into 3 pieces. As you can see, my right hand is holding the right outer piece and my left hand is holding the left outer and the middle piece. Using this technique means that your index and your thumb will be doing most of the work. So you're going to use your index finger to anchor the hair to the scalp so you can get a good grip. And then you're going to take your thumb and go underneath the middle piece. Now it's time to add the braids. So I'm going to place the braid between my index finger and thumb. Then you're going to want to place your index finger at the base of the hair and then continue braiding. Now we're on to the butterfly plait. This technique that I'll be using is slightly different from the one I used in the knotless braid. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my braid over the section I parted out to complete this procedure. Now you're going to use your right index finger to capture the braid on the left side and repeat this procedure for the right side also. As you keep adding braids, you also want to consider plaiting light and not too tight because you have to pull out strands to create the butterfly style. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye!